VMware's played a very important role for data center infrastructure teams, particularly the VP of infrastructure for quite some time. In a lot of cases also the VP of operations. But as you look at our portfolio of offerings and services over the last 4 years, we've slowly been expanding beyond infrastructure to applications and even end user and mobility, right? So now we're playing and offering services, and more importantly technology, in more than one area of a CIO's organization. And so for him or her to have a better understanding of how much they're spending overall holistically on IT and be able to compare that to potentially other service providers, whether that be SaaS providers or infrastructure providers, they need to have a lens into IT. And so beyond the infrastructure and applications technology we're providing, what's critical for these transformational CIOs is really around our cloud business management suite. So they can get better understanding of how much they've spent versus planned, so budget versus planned, and also be able to compare themselves to their peers in the industry. Because at the end of the day, the consumerization of IT is forcing a lot of CIOs to be able to stand up to their board, stand up to lines of business and say, here's how much my service costs you, versus if you were to go outside and provide them to someone else, and if you do, I'll provide that same measure of service. We are helping customers to better enable and aggressively transform the industry. And it's important that they come back every year and understand where we were, what we're providing now, and where we're going for continuity, so that they can take back to their own teams and organizations and share that knowledge and information. And by the way, it's not just about taking it back to their organization teams, it's about bringing that back to us. We want to lead the industry with transformative, innovative technologies and products, but we don't want a revolutionary approach. We want an evolutionary approach. And so that consistency from last year to this year to next year is helping customers lead towards that evolutionary approach to ultimately getting to what we refer to as IT as a service based on the software-defined data center. So hopefully by now they've already virtualized a lot of the mission critical applications, and if not, we have a tremendous opportunity for them to do so. But we made it even easier for customers to accelerate that journey to the cloud with the new announcements around vCloud Suite in September, and again now with the fundamental changes and improvements we made to the vCloud Suite now here in Barcelona. So those customers who want to try before they buy, it's available, there's great promotions and opportunities, but also our ecosystem of partners are out there ready and willing to help them understand how they can get there even faster. So take a look at our website, there's plenty of things going on here at the conference. You can come back to a bunch of recordings of the events here and get educated, and trust us, we're here to help you and support you to grow.